Good afternoon. I'm John Calvin. I'm chairman of the building committee here at Ruppel, and we'd like to give an update to the Ruppel family as to where we are. This is what is the last phase of the educational building, or the first floor. First, I'd like to mention our building committee who's worked tirelessly for the past few years on all of these projects. We have Jim Crow, we had Alice Bernhardt, we have Billy Schneitzel, we have Luke Van Ryan, and Chris Squires. And that the committees, if you see them, please thank them because they put in an awful hosting on our top lungs. I'd also like to thank Terry Lenz Construction for just wrapping this up. Terry Lenz is here quite often, almost every day, along with Jim Cook and Robert Craig, who you might see in the video as well. They've been to the building. This is the new walkway into the building. This is going to have one of the things we ran into was when we closed the existing door, we had to find this brick, and it had to come. We actually found it in Iowa and it was shipped in. So once we get farther along, new brick is sitting out in the corner of Pelican space there. We'll add new brick and make it look like it should like.
You too.
This is the new doorway that'll be the entrance. But then it's going to be playing into the new. For those that don't recall, this is the old fellowship hall. It has a huge difference with what they see now. This is the hallway that leads to the 2A. To the right, we have the children's area. And to the west, we have the youth area. We'll walk into the children's area. We'll have full-size countertops, cabinets over there, and sink. And we'll have some cubbies playing out here so that children to use. This is the children's area. As you can see, the grid for the ceiling is in. All the light fixtures are in. The next thing we have to do is to have the HVAC people come back. The ducts are in, but they need to put the drops in. And once we do that, we can have an inspection and close up the ceiling. All the doors have windows on them as per requirements of the church. These will be fixed class openings so we can keep track of what the children are doing from out in the hallway. Those are ordered and should be in the next week or so. This is outside the children's area. There's going to be a cabinet there. So I was going to have some plumbing put in. The usable logistics did not do that. So it'll just be a fixed cabinet. The actual sink area will be where the old kitchen was. This is a storage room that is beneath the stairway that you put in going down the long rock chairs. It gives us a lot more storage area. This is the youth area. Again, the ceiling is ready to go in. And just waiting on the HVAC. There's two sets of closets here that this is some more storage. We'll be putting shelves in there. This area will be Lindsay's office. She wanted to be closer to where the youth and children were going to be. Quite a size office. And then she got the huge storage area here that then has shelving so she can store containers and such for the materials. We should be done probably in the next month or two. The flooring is here. We just haven't installed it yet. HVAC needs to be done. Some wider plumbing needs to be done. The cabinets being installed. That sounds like a lot. These things will get along rather quickly. And again, if you have any questions, please ask Kathy or myself, and we'll be glad to answer.